If else just checks a single condition, true or false. When we need to check multiple conditions, we use elif statement between if and else. It simply says, if the previous condition is not true, then try this condition before else. We can use as many elif statements as we want. Let's say in this example, we have variable marks having value 90. First, using if, we check whether marks are greater than 90. So we write if marks is greater than 90, then print excellent. Elif. Elif is short form of else if. So we can read it else if. Else if marks are greater than 70, print good. Else if marks are greater than 50, print pause. Otherwise, if all the above conditions are false, print fail. Now, because marks are 90, so the first condition will read as 90 is greater than 90, which is false. So the control will move to the next condition, which is marks is greater than 70. 90 is greater than 70. So this condition is true, and on console it will print good. Now if we change the marks to, let's say, 60, the first condition, if marks is greater than 90, 60 greater than 90 is false. So control will move to the next. 60 is greater than 70 is again false. So the control will move to the next one, which says marks greater than 50. Now 60 is greater than 50. So this condition is true, and the code under it will execute, which will print pass on the console. Now let's say if marks are 40. Now all the if and elif conditions will be false. So the else part will execute printing fail on the console.